Welcome to the Plant Farm Eat YouTube channel. Let's prepare an easy and tasty homemade lentil soup with fresh and healthy vegetables, herbs, olive oil, and spices in less than 30 minutes. Lentils are an excellent source of vitamins B, iron, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. They're also a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. For the ingredients, you will need lentils, of course. You can use red or yellow lentils or a mixture of both. Today, I'm using yellow lentils as they are faster to cook. You'll also need vegetables. Here, I'm using 1 onion, 1 potato, 1 carrot, sweet red pepper, and 1 tomato. For the spices, you can use any types of spices you like. I'm going to keep it simple, so I'm using Himalaya salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, red flax pepper, and chili green pepper. If you have bay leaves, you can add it as well. For the oil, any plant-based oil will do. I'm using olive oil. For the final touches, mint and lemon. Please watch the video until the end to find out about preparation, cooking, serving, and storage. Begin with a cup of lentils. Place it in a jar, wash it well, and leave it to stay in the water. This will help lentils cook faster and get smoother. On a cutting board, slice and chop an onion and place it in a pot. Use 2 spoons of any type of oil to saute the onion until it gets softened. Sprinkle a teaspoon of salt. This will help the onion cook faster. Then chop 1 potato of equal squares and add it to the pot. Also, dice the carrot followed by the red pepper. If you want a bit of spice, one chili green pepper will give it the kick. Remove the skin and thin dice 2 tomatoes. Now add the spices, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, smoked paprika and red chili flakes. Now it's the time to add out lentils to the pot. Finally, add 1 cup of warm water or vegetable stock and let it come to boil, and then turn the heat down and let it simmer. If you have bay leaves, this is the time to add them. Chop few leaves of mint or any other green leaves for the final touches on the plate. Mix well and lightly boil all ingredients together for around 20 minutes. Once cooked well, serve the lentil soup in a plate. Alternatively, you can use a blender to get a smoother, creamy touch. Decorate your plate with a piece of lemon, and if you like to add the green leaves for decoration. Lentil soup can be stored in the fridge in a sealed containers for up to 3 days or frozen for up to 2 months. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please like and share this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified on similar upcoming videos. Plant Farm It is a platform for horticulture and environmental enthusiasts, helping you maximize your time and efforts and provide you with pragmatic guides on how to plant, farm, and eat sustainably.